Crypto ETFs, your gateway to trading without owning crypto. Hey, welcome back to the AI Crypto Radar channel. Today, we're diving into something that's been receiving a ton of attention lately: crypto ETFs. The SEC approved the first crypto ETF in 2024. You are getting in on the ground floor, and that can be a tremendous advantage. Did you know you could start trading them today without needing to directly own crypto? Stick around, because at the end of this video, I've got some killer tools and discounts that will help you get started. Stay tuned. Now, imagine this. You can invest in the booming crypto market, but without the hassle of managing wallets, dealing with exchanges, or worrying about private keys. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Crypto ETFs are the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's break down exactly how you can start trading them today and make informed decisions. First, let's start with the basics. What exactly is an ETF? An ETF, or exchange traded fund, is like a basket of assets that you can buy or sell on the stock exchange. It holds various assets like stocks, commodities, or, yep, you guessed it, cryptocurrencies. The beauty of ETFs is that you don't have to deal with the complexity of owning or managing the underlying assets. You're just trading the fund itself, which makes things a lot easier and less risky. Now, let's talk about how to trade ETFs. It's simpler than you think. Here's the breakdown. Step 1, set up a brokerage account. You'll need an online brokerage account to get started. There are plenty of platforms out there, but make sure you choose a reliable and secure one. Some popular choices include platforms like Charles Schwab, Robinhood, or Fidelity. Step 2, fund your account. Once your account is set up, deposit the funds you want to invest. You can transfer money from your bank account, or sometimes even deposit crypto if the platform allows it. Step 3, search for crypto ETFs. Once you're all set up, search for crypto ETFs. These funds typically track a basket of popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Keep in mind that there are multiple types of crypto ETFs, so research each one carefully to understand what you're investing in. Step 4, place your trade. Finally, place your order just like you would with a regular stock. You can set a market order or a limit order, depending on how you want to buy or sell. Once your order is executed, you own a piece of the crypto ETF. So what crypto ETFs are available? Right now, we have some great options on the market. iShares Bitcoin ETF typically invests in a diversified group of companies that are involved in the crypto space, such as cryptocurrency miners, blockchain technology developers, or even firms with significant crypto holdings. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Not technically an ETF, but it works similarly. It gives you exposure to Bitcoin without needing to own it directly. Amplify Transformational Data Sharing ETF. This ETF invests in companies developing blockchain technology. A great option if you want broader exposure to the crypto ecosystem, not just Bitcoin. Bitwise 10 Crypto Index Fund. This ETF tracks the top 10 cryptocurrencies, offering diversification in your crypto portfolio. Each one has its pros and cons, so take your time and do your research before investing. Now, before you go jumping into the market, let me remind you, security is key when dealing with any kind of financial transaction, and crypto is no exception. Always use a well-secured PC and keep it clean of malware before accessing your accounts. Also, always have a strategy. Rely on solid data from trusted sources. One tool I highly recommend is bitbo.io. It provides real-time, actionable data that can help you make informed trading decisions. In the fast-moving world of crypto, timing is everything, and using the right data is crucial. Now you have a basic understanding of what ETFs are, how crypto ETFs work, and how you can get started today. So how do you maximize your profits while minimizing risk? The secret to trading crypto ETFs successfully is balancing risk with strategy and using powerful tools to choose your investments. Check out my other videos on crypto investing strategies, and I've got some exclusive discounts on the tools I use to keep my trades profitable and secure. Check out the links in the description for resources, tools, and discounts. They're time sensitive, so you'll want to act soon. Believe me, you won't want to miss it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss a video like this again. I'd love to hear what crypto ETFs you're interested in or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. You're ahead of the game now. I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.